Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you're a designer, developer, writer, or just someone building a personal brand, your portfolio is a big deal. But if it's not on your LinkedIn profile, most people might never see it. So today I'll show you how to add your portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile the right way, so it shows up clearly and professionally. Let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn profile and click the Me icon at the top. Then, click View Profile. Now, scroll down to the section called Featured. If you don't see it, click Add Profile section, go to Recommended and select Add Featured. Once you're in the Featured section, click the plus icon, then choose Add a Link. Paste your portfolio URL in the box. This can be your personal website, Behance page, GitHub, Notion site, or anything you've built. LinkedIn will automatically pull in the title and preview image. You can edit the title and description to say something like, "My portfolio website, check out my work." Once done, hit save, and boom, it's now pinned right near the top of your profile. Anyone who visits your profile will see your work first before even scrolling down. You can also repeat this to feature more links like case studies or blog posts. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.